Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Lindsey Beth. So today we'll be doing some Jumbo Marley Twists. So my hair is freshly washed and blow dried, and I just decided to go ahead and pre-part it in these sections. It made the process so much quicker and so much easier. So the hair I'll be using is a 20-inch Marley hair from Xoxo Crochet Hair. I've used it in 2 videos. I'll link them down below. And trust me, when I tell you I rinsed this hair, I did. So I already went ahead and started on the back of my head, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I did the front. I just kind of cleaning up the parts a little bit just to make it as neat as possible. Like, I know a lot of people have problem with parting, and I do as well. Trust me, that's why I decided to go ahead and pre-part my hair. Really made a difference. So I'm just taking the excess hair out of the way because I'm gonna start on this section. Now, I had no idea where it's going with this style, but you know, we do the thing over here, we use it and turn it make fashion. Alright, so after detangling the section that I'm gonna be twisting with my wide tooth comb and just making sure it's neat, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Morris edge wax to just neaten it up even more. Like, if you've watched my previous videos, you can see that I use the Shine and Jam a whole lot, but I was out of Shine and Jam and I decided to use the Morris edge wax for the first time, and I am very pleased with how it turned out. I prefer using it like this instead of using it as an edge control, because as an edge control, thumbs down, but for my twist, thumbs up. All right, so let me show you how I worked on my grip game. So I'm gonna be starting out by anchoring the crochet hair around my actual hair. I'm gonna use my hair as a third leg, just like when you're doing a regular braid, and I'm gonna braid the root of my hair just to help the style last a little bit longer. And I'm gonna braid for about 3 to 4 braids. Well, not 3 to 4 braids, but 3 to 4 times. And then when I'm satisfied, or I feel like it's firm enough or steady enough, I'm just gonna start twisting. So my hair is gonna move from being the third leg, then I'm gonna push it to the side into either side of the crochet hair, and then I'm just gonna twist. Now for this twisting, you know, like when you're doing a rope twist, you kind of have a special technique where you twist in the opposite direction. I do have a rope twist video, I'll link it down below as well, and then you kind of twist in the opposite direction. For this one, I literally did a regular 2-strand twist, no fancy technique, no nothing, and it stayed the same. This hair is pretty kinky, pretty coarse, and it's, well, I wouldn't say stiff, but it does know how to stay in place. So that's all I did, a regular 2-strand twist all the way to the end of the twist, and then I just twine the ends. So you don't know, so I'm gonna show you guys that one more time. I just grabbed the crochet hair and I anchored it around my natural hair, using my natural hair as a third leg, and then I braided like just a regular simple plait, no feeding, no twisting, no elastic band, no crochet, nothing. Then I did that about 3, 4, maybe 5 times, and then when I was satisfied, I just moved my hair to either side, and then I started to twist. So I went from having 3 legs for the braiding to 2 so I could twist, and then I did a regular easy peasy, like you're doing a regular 2-strand twist all the way down to the end of the hair, and then I just twine the ends just to kind of seal it a little bit. This style was really quick. It took me about 3 hours to do my whole head. I don't know how many twists I have in total, I did not count it, but it took me about 3 hours to do everything. And if you've been watching me for a while, I am probably the slowest braider twister on the planet. I think it's really the parting that takes up most of my time, because if you part it on here, you know, parting the back of your hair is no joke. But this one, it was pretty quick and really simple. Anybody can do it. So now I literally went ahead and did the same thing throughout the rest of my head. I'm just gonna have you guys watch how I did it, because I feel like I can show you better than I can tell you. For this, I really did not want to use any like crochet method, elastic method. I just really wanted to you know, like try to grip my own hair, and I think I owe it to the edge wax. Like, this one provided enough grip, because I find that when I use the other gels, I don't know if it's because they're more water based and my hair I don't know, my hair just, it makes my hair curl up more, and it makes the hair slip out way easier, which is why I end up resorting to using the elastic band method. And I was like, oh no, my grip game is trash, when in fact maybe I should have been using, you know, something a bit thicker to hold my hair in place so I can have more control. So try that and let me know if it makes a difference. Another thing I would say is you don't need to be like me and grip this hair super tight, because I have a problem, like if it's not tight, it's not done right. It's a protective style and the point is to protect, right? You don't need to like be pulling your hair out like I did, because I had a little bit of difficulty falling asleep the first night. It did loosen up, but just be gentle, guys, especially when you're doing around a perimeter of your edges. The point of a protective style is to protect your hair, right, and the edges. So just be gentle. You don't need to grip the hair super tight. And another thing with this edge control, I know it might look white, but no worries, it does dry clear, so it didn't leave a residue either. It was just perfect for this job. I think I said this earlier that this style took me about 3 hours to do, and pre-parting really did make a difference. 3 hours. This is, and I'm like the slowest braider on the planet, so this was pretty quick for me. I'm not sure how many twists I have in my head, I didn't count it. And I used about, all right, so the hair, the way how it comes in rolls, like how you'd have bundles, the hair comes in rolls. I used about 4 rolls of the crochet hair to do my whole head. And again, this is the same hair that I've used in my crochet afro video, as well as my Fulani braids type video that I have on my channel. I'll link them down below. Let me tell you, you know, say we rinse and repeat the hair, right? Save and sleep on the channel, yeah. Alright, so now that we're done, I'm just gonna take some scissors and cut the ends of the braids just to like remove those stringy ends, you know, a bit, and to even it out a little bit. Then I'm gonna grab my mousse, love this mousse, absolutely love it, and go all over my head. And then I did tie my hair down and I blow dried it as well, just to make it even crisper than it already is. All right, but I did that off camera. Then I'm gonna grab my Luster's oil pink hair sheen, love 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 this spray, just to give it that fresh from the salon shine. Love it, it really does complete the look. And of course, you don't know, say I have to do my edges, just a little soup from the front. You don't have to do this if you don't want, but adapt me like do my little edges with my got to be glue. All right, beautiful people, and we are done. This style took me 3 hours to do. As I said, 4 rolls of the Toyatress 20-inch Marley Crochet Hair in the color 1B. Of course, you know, so I have to give you a little half up half down style. Very easy, very versatile. This style, I couldn't do anything easier. Really loved how it came out. Like, you can't tell me say I don't impress this man. Impress. All right, guys, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried this style before. This hair, it was really long. I'm gonna show you, I'm about 5'11", and this hair is 20 inches, and it reached me like, is that under my boobs, like mid back? Yeah, around that, like mid back. And you know, say if I'm doing braids, I have to do them long, or it just don't make no sense. All right. Like, clearly I was having way too much fun with this hair, but perfect for the summer. We're still in a summer, kind of end of summer. Good back to school hairstyle, really easy, anybody can wear it. It was just, I just loved how easy it was, and I'm really glad I was, you know, say for my ladies with the grip game, maybe it's not you or the problem, maybe it's the gel, cause any other gel really gave me way too much slip. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all socials at __Lindsey Beth, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Till next time, bye guys.